Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to view notifications on lock screen on Android 16. Let's begin. All you want to do is simply go to the settings, then go into Wallpaper and Style, and make sure that you have lock screen, because this setting won't be visible on the home screen tab. So in the lock screen, all you want to do is simply scroll down and make sure to enable show notifications on lock screen. Now we will be able to simply see all our notifications right here on the lock screen itself. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.